Hello, David again here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we are on a 2022 290 SDX. This boat is powered with a 300 horsepower Bravo 3 Sea-Core engine. Underneath my feet we have sea deck, nice soft on our feet. I am wearing shoes. We have a swim step right here that folds down into the water, stay attached to the boat. As I come up on the boat, we have our lounger set up, hanging out with the family, looking out in the water. On the port side, massive storage area. This goes all the way down underneath the seat. Your tubes, your noodles, your grab brush, your cleaning supplies, all fit in there. They come through the walk-through transom. We have a built-in cooler, charge port, a door. Keep the little pets inside the boat when you bring them out. A boarding step, some other features inside the boat. Come on in, we'll show you the rest. Okay, we moved inside the cockpit of the boat. Lots of space for lots of people. This is a yacht certified boat, so you can have as many people on the boat as you feel comfortable, as long as you have life jackets for everybody. We have a carry-off cooler on the port side. Ample storage underneath the seats. Right now I have all the covers stored in here. Of course, a removable table. There is a spot to store this up front. Our battery switch onboard charger is right below that. Sea deck throughout the cockpit of the boat. Our sink over here with storage underneath. We can also order this with a grill and an inverter if we decide. More storage under here. More storage again. Boat like this, you always have lots of people, you need lots of stuff. Ski locker under my feet. Loungers that flip back. Bimini top above my head. I've now moved up in the bow. Again, 290, tons and tons of space, tons of storage, tons of seating. We have armrests that flip up and down on the 290 SDX. I'm sitting on a bow filler cushion, giant sun pad. This boat does have a power windlass with a stainless steel anchor. As I work back, our bow door for those cool nights, coming back after dinner. It's like putting the windows up on a convertible, keeps the wind going right over the top. Our table storage is in here with more storage. Our large head compartment. We have a vacuum flush head in there with the upgraded head compartment. There's a shelf in there, a sink, a light. Glove box on the port side. Spring over to the head. Or the helm. Our Fusion stereo system. Switches. Tilt steering. 12-inch Simrad touchscreen, trim tabs, digital throttle, digital shift, and of course the raised bolsters. As you can see, this boat is in our showroom at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, we'll show you the rest of the boat.